What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Maximize. I know it's been a long time since I've posted, and like there's no real good reason other than like I started a new job and it's been really stressful. And you know when you just get so tired all the time, like I'm sure a lot of you relate, and like that's been my struggle. That's been my struggle for months now. So I wanted to get back on the horse. This is gonna be a real casual video, just chilling at home talking about some plants, and a cat might be in the mix. So let's get into it. The first order of business is like, you have to look at my baby. Look at her. Hi. This is my work from home desk, and it's on a makeshift, it's technically like a side table. So my work desk is on a side table. So that's not very good for my back, because I think it's, you know, whatever. You gotta survive, right? But look at my cat. Hi, mommy. Oh, my big girl. Who's my big girl? Yes. She has her harness on. We harness trained her. She's just so cute. Right, Selena? Yeah. My boyfriend thinks it's really weird, but I taught her how to do tricks. And he's like, don't treat her like a circus animal. And I'm like, well, it's like, you know, engages her brain, right? I don't know. Is that not good to do with a cat? Anyway, I can show you her tricks if you want.
Okay, up. Yes, good girl. You're so good. Yes, you are. Go around. There you go. Good girl.
Okay, so now that you know I'm the crazy cat lady that teaches her cats tricks, let me show you some of my new plants. So the first plant I'm going to show you is called the Waffle Plant, and I randomly got this gifted to me from my mom, and I had never heard of this plant. I was like, I don't even know what this is. Is this like some weird kind of cabbage plant? I don't know. It just looked like a weird plant to me. So it took a lot of like sleuthing online to find out what it is. And I gotta say, I'm very impressed by this plant. I keep it on my entry table. It's very far back in the apartment. It doesn't receive any direct light whatsoever. It's only indirect, and it's pretty low, like medium low light, and it does fantastic. It's putting out new growth, and it's one of those plants that slumps over when it's thirsty. So I love plants like that because I need the signal. You know, I don't like the plants that are just dying of thirst and then start dropping leaves and stuff before telling you like, hey, I'm a little thirsty, can you help a girl out, you know? Ultimately, super easy plant. I really just water it every time it's slumped over, and it bounces back within a day or half a day, not even that. So it's just a solid, easy, good beginner plant. And if you have a medium low spot that you need to fill with a plant, my next plant is called a frosted fern plant. Now this one I've been experimenting in different places around my house, but I think I found the winner. It's in a spot where it receives a ton of morning light, so it's very soft. It's not as intense as a direct afternoon light, and ferns really tend to like that kind of lighting, so it's a very specific kind of spot and a very specific kind of plant. And this isn't a typical fern either. It's a little hardier, and it is also the type of plant that will slump over when it's thirsty. It's similar to the waffle plant, so that's why them being in the same video is kind of perfection, you know, and well thought out on my part. I love the fact that it shows you when it's thirsty, because I need that kind of help, especially in the winter. I'm like, ooh, it's cold, like, do you need water whatsoever? I don't even know. And it'll let you know. It'll be like, yo, pour it here. I was really scared when it was first given to me. I was like, fern? Oh, great, thank you. I have a really bad track record with ferns. They just don't like me. It's personal. Like, I'm convinced. But so far this fern, I've had it since around Thanksgiving, and it's been thriving. It's been doing so well, and I tried it in lower light, and now I have this good morning light spot for it, and I think it'll do even better. It'll start putting on growth and everything. So I'm keeping an eye on it. I'm paranoid every second of the day that it's just gonna die, because it's a fern, you know? Like, let's be real. Just keep on believing, you know? Just keep believing. Thank you. So guys, those are the new updates in my life. Nothing too crazy. So these plants are just really simple and straightforward, and I highly recommend if you see them in the store or something. They're really, really, really easy, and I'm digging it. And I finally have found a fern that we see eye to eye to leaf to eye, and we're gonna kick it, and I feel like we're gonna be friends finally. So I hope you guys are doing fabulous. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please like, please comment, you know the drill, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.